क्या है मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल से और बात करेंगे आप लोगों से आज Q3 रिजल्ट के बारे में। Q3 रिजल्ट टुडे IndiGo Adani Green among 57 companies to report earning on Thursday. As many as 57 companies including IndiGo and are set to announce their December quarter result on Thursday. Many companies will announce their December quarter result today. IndiGo earnings are expected to be mixed. Revenue is predicted to grow, but profit may fall. This is due to the higher cost and lower ticket price. Other key companies like Adani Green and DLF will also share their financial performance. Investors are watching this announcement closely for market direction. The December quarter earnings session continues to Thursday with as many as 57 companies set to announce their Q3 result. Key result to watch out include IndiGo, Adani Green, Adani Total Gas, DLF, Bandhan Bank and ZEEL. Apart from these companies, such as the Mphasis, APL Apollo Tubes, Radico Khaitan's Premier Energies Go Digit General Insurance IIFL Finance will also report their quarterly numbers. IndiGo is expected to report a mixed set of numbers for the December quarter, with brokers penciling in the steady revenue growth but a year-on-year decline in profitability as ELH top and cost pressures remain elevated. According to an average of our brokers, IndiGo revenues for the third quarter is seen reaching about 16% YoY, supported by continued capacity addition and the resilient passenger demand. However, profit after tax is estimated to decline 17% YoY, reflecting lower fares, operational disruption, and the higher fuel and forex-related costs. Brokers expected capacity growth to the moderated during the quarter. Kotak Equities estimated an 8% YoY increase in available set kilometers at the lower end of management guidance, partly due to mass flight cancellations in December. Load factor are expected to decline by around 150 basis points YoY to about 85.5%. Kotak also factor in a 3% YoY decline in yield, again at the lower end and airlines guidance.